Okay, I won't tell her, but you will.
Wait! What? Why am I gonna tell her?
You have to tell her. You kissed him.
Be a good friend.
Me?
Yes, you tell her. I don't want to tell her.
You kissed him. You're the one that kissed him.
Okay.
You have to tell her.
Tell me.
You have to be true to her.
I'm just gonna.
You're the good friend. You have to be a good friend.
Whatever. I'm just gonna leave.
Okay.
See you at school. Hey.
Dude, tell her already.
I am when she comes. You gotta tell her or else.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hi. Okay. Can I talk to you at lunch?
Sure, but what about?
Just wait till lunch.
Okay, bye. Hey, so what did you want to say?
Okay, so I wanted to talk about Taylor.
What about Taylor?
Okay, so last time that I was studying with Jacob, I mean Taylor, I kissed him.
You what?
It was like